Is photographic memory a real superpower or just a fascinating myth? Let's dive into the world of extraordinary recall. We often hear about people who can remember every detail they've ever seen, as if their mind holds a perfect snapshot. But what's the truth behind this extraordinary ability? Photographic memory, or eidetic memory, is often described as the ability to recall images, sounds, or objects with extreme accuracy for a long time after only a brief exposure. The popular perception of photographic memory is that it's like a mental camera, perfectly capturing and storing every detail. However, scientific reality paints a different picture. Specifically, eidetic memory refers to the ability to see an image for a short period and retain a vivid, detailed visual image of it, as if it were still present. For someone with an eidetic memory, the afterimage can be so strong that they can describe details as if looking at the original image, even when it's no longer there. Purported abilities include recalling entire pages of text or complex diagrams after a single glance. However, these claims are largely unsubstantiated in adults. From a scientific standpoint, the existence of photographic memory in adults remains a highly debated topic. Extensive research has been conducted over the decades to prove or disprove the existence of true eidetic memory. Despite numerous studies, there's a lack of conclusive scientific evidence that adults possess a truly photographic memory. Interestingly, some evidence of eidetic memory has been observed in young children, but it tends to fade as they mature. In some young children, the ability to retain vivid afterimages for a short time has been noted in experimental settings. This ability in children is thought to be a different cognitive process than the complex memory systems developed in adults, which rely more on conceptual and verbal encoding. While true photographic memory may be a myth for adults, many individuals possess exceptional memory skills. Memory champions, for instance, can recall vast amounts of information, but they achieve these feats through learned techniques, not inherent photographic ability. These techniques include mnemonic devices, memory palaces, and consistent practice, which enhance the brain's natural memory capabilities. Our brains are incredibly complex, and memory formation is a dynamic process, not a static recording. Normal memory involves encoding, storage, and retrieval, which are reconstructive processes. Each time we recall something, our brain rebuilds the memory, sometimes with slight alterations. A perfectly photographic memory is considered unlikely because our brains prioritize meaning and relevance over exact replication, constantly filtering and organizing information. So what's the takeaway from our exploration of photographic memory? The idea of a perfect photographic memory is largely a myth, particularly in adults. Our memories are far more dynamic and interpretive than a simple camera. Instead of an innate photographic ability, exceptional memory is usually the result of deliberate practice and the application of powerful mnemonic techniques. With effort, anyone can improve their memory,